Hello again, my brilliant learners. I'm so happy you're here with me today. Every time we meet, we build your English, word by word, step by step. And today's word is about keeping things going, holding on and not giving up. Today, we're going to learn the word sustain. So, what does sustain mean? To sustain means to keep something going over time. It can be about energy, effort, life, or even the environment. If something is sustained, it lasts. It doesn't break or stop suddenly. Here are 5 example sentences to help you understand and remember the word sustain. She worked hard to sustain her small business. We need to find ways to sustain the planet's natural resources. His energy was hard to sustain during the long race. Good friendships take effort to sustain. The actor sustained an injury during filming. All right, now it is time for a short story, just 10 sentences, to help you remember sustain in context. Last year, I decided to eat healthier and exercise more. At first, I had so much energy and motivation, but after 2 weeks, it was hard to sustain the routine. Some days I wanted to stay in bed or eat fast food. Still, I reminded myself why I started. Little by little, I found ways to sustain my new lifestyle. I made small changes, like walking more and cooking simple meals. Now, months later, I feel stronger and more focused. It wasn't always easy, but I learned that to sustain something, you need patience. And that's true for habits, health, and learning English too. So, that's the word sustain. To keep going, to support, to hold on. Use it this week when you talk about goals, health, or the environment. See you next time for another strong word. Take care and keep learning.